Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a windshield wiper motor on a Ford F150. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting your battery's negative terminal. Gather essential tools like various wrenches and screwdrivers. Confirm your new wiper motor is the correct part for your specific F150 model. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. With safety covered, it's time to access the motor. Begin by removing the retaining nuts from the wiper arms, then carefully lift the arms off. Next, detach the clips holding the cowl panel in place and remove the cowl. This will expose the wiper motor assembly, usually located near the base of the windshield. Take your time to avoid damaging any components. Now that the motor is accessible, disconnect its electrical connector. Then, unbolt the old wiper motor from its mounting bracket. Once removed, position the new motor and secure it with the bolts. Reconnect the electrical connector firmly. Double-check all connections to ensure everything is properly seated before proceeding to the next steps. This ensures reliable operation. Before fully reassembling, reconnect your battery and test the new wiper motor to ensure it functions correctly. Once confirmed, carefully reinstall the cowl panel, securing all clips. Finally, reattach the wiper arms, making sure they are properly aligned. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. This final check ensures your wipers are ready for any weather, keeping you safe on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.